to my channel. This is hard for me because I actually have to face my budget, my debt, and everything else. So this is my first time doing this. So I'm doing this binder, and it's based on my business, my debt, all in one. So please bear with me. Kind of nervous doing this on camera and talking. I usually just put videos and music, but yeah, I want to be accountable for everything that I do and how I spend, because I'm one that just likes to just spend. Before, I used to be scared of cash, holding this, and I used to like to swipe for everything. Then I looked at my bills. I was like, oh my god. So my husband took away my cards. He said you have to use cash. And that was back in 1990, the 90s. So ever since, because I couldn't touch these. I felt like they were dirty and yuck. But anyways, let's get into it. So this is based on a zero-based budget, low income. And we're going to stuff $510.17. 17 cents already went into my coin jar. It's downstairs. So let's count. That's 1, 2, 3, 400. 1, 2, 3, 6, 60. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The calculator, because I'm really good at math. I don't mind my desk, okay? It's my work desk, everything desk. So we have 400. 10, yeah. 25, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. So today we're gonna stuff here's how I do everything. I find it easier for me if I do one binder. So my shop is getting 100. I already wrote it down. I find it this way, if I label it with the amount, it's easier for me because sometimes I forget. So that is getting 300. That's my charge card. My bills is getting 35. Christmas is getting 10. Sinking funds is getting 40. I just don't understand the sinking fund part. So if anybody has any that can explain that part for me, that would be so helpful. My 401k is getting $10. And my dollar challenge is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my $5 challenge is getting $10. I thought I would do the challenges to help me get my debt down faster, but I don't know. I'm kind of nervous and excited at the same time. But let's talk about my debt. So this is my charge card. I only have one charge card. Her balance is $18,500, but I brought it down to $17,991.88 as of today. I did pay this charge off so many times, but this time around I can't. But this time I hope I'm praying that I can. So yeah, so that's why I'm doing only one binder. Eventually I would like to do one more binder until I get a hang of it. So that's it for mine. I made my own little thingy like this too. Yeah, my husband, he gives me an allowance of $126. I do have Etsy shop, and I sell stuff for you to make lip gloss supplies. That's what I do. That's what I sell. I just started my shop, so if you want to go check it out, it's called Zai Zai Beauty LLC on Etsy. Thank you. Bye.